Welcome into our science and technology lesson, grade 3. Good morning to you all.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, we are continuing with science and technology, and today we are looking at the importance of food. The importance of food. Can we take that down? Page 17. Page 17, if you have got a textbook like mine. If you don't have the same textbook, we said it's unit 2. Unit 2, and look for importance of food. And look for this picture where there is chicken there, bread, green mealies, eggs. A picture like this one. Yes, that's the page, Michelle. That's the page. Okay. Yesterday, we were talking about sources of food, and we said we get food from plants or from animals, and then we discussed the different types of plants, and we talked about cereals, we talked about root vegetables, we talked about leaf vegetables, and also many things. So today we want to look at why is this food important? What do we gain from this food? What do we benefit from eating this food? Why do we eat food? What is the importance of food? What do we get from the food? What do we get from the food that we eat? Okay, yes, Mel? Huh?
Energy.
Yes, we eat food so that we can have energy. Energy to do things, energy to learn, energy to walk, energy to write, and energy to work. Because without the food, we feel so weak. So we have got energy giving food. As you are going to go up the grades there, you are going to learn about the 7 nutrients that we need as human beings, which is called a balanced diet. And you are going to learn that energy giving food is also known as carbohydrates. Okay, can I have examples of energy giving food? Examples of energy giving food. When we eat that kind of food, we feel very strong and we can last for hours, very strong and energetic. Yes, Kim? Kien. Okay, yes, he has written bread. Yes, that's correct. When we eat bread, we feel energetic. Yes, Raylene.
Potatoes.
Yes, potatoes. Potatoes. How many of us love potatoes? How many of us love? Yes, and I know the reason why you love potatoes, because you love chips and you like chips. Yes. Okay, and what else gives us energy? Bread, potatoes, Agatha.
Mealies.
Yes, mealies. Mel, you are now upside down. Your head is facing down and your legs up. Okay, yes, Michelle wrote Sada. Can I see the other one, Mishi? Push your paper on your left. I've only seen Sada, but it seems there was something else. Okay, she had written Millie's. Okay, Mel? Mel, do you have something else?
Maize.
Amazing. Millie's, they've already said that. Okay, even sweet potatoes, even rice, they haven't written it there. These are energy giving food, and they usually give us starch. Food that give us starch. Okay. And then we now move on. Besides gaining energy from the food, what else do we get from the food? Do we just need to take sada and then we eat the sada without relish because we just want energy? Then we can eat the sada with nothing, the rice with nothing. Of course, potatoes, you can do that, but for sada and rice, you need something. Yes, Mel? Mel?
That's why you eat.
Eh? Mel? Okay, we can't hear you. Sorry about that. Okay, Agatha?
Builds our body.
Like I said, we eat sada with what? Can I have examples of relish that we can use to eat sada with? Michelle? We can eat sada with? Oh, we can eat sada with? Eska?
Soup.
Huh? Yes, Michelle said we can eat sada
Soup.
with. Oh, with soup only. Only Skani, so I want to cook sada and soup and give you, Ska. Open your video, Skani, so. Okay, we can also eat sada with meat, guys. Yesterday you were talking about meat from animals like cows and goats, sheep, pig. So you can eat sada with meat, and that meat is body building food. It's body building food. For us to grow well, we need food such as meat. It can be chicken, it can be pork, it can be beef, it can be what do you call it? Chevron? Is it chevron? Michelle, is it chevron? And mutton. Yes, so you can eat any of those, and you'll be building your body. Can I have some more examples besides meat? On the picture there, we have got fish, like, okay, Michelle said nuts. No, yes, Michelle? Yes, I've seen, thank you. Okay, so we can also eat nuts for bodybuilding besides meat, and don't mention fish and chicken because and beef, because this is meat, this is all meat, we have already mentioned it. Yes, Mel? Mel?
Beans.
Yes, beans.
Beans.
Yes, beans, it's also bodybuilding food. What else? Skanyiso?
Eggs.
Yes, eggs. You can also eat eggs. And there's something that we mentioned yesterday that we said we get it from cows and goats and even from people. What was that? Yes, Mel. Mel,
Milk.
unfortunately, we can't hear you. You have to write your answers like Michelle. Yes, Michelle, milk. Yes, milk. It is also bodybuilding food. So we should eat, make sure that every day when you are eating your breakfast, your lunch, your supper, make sure that it is balanced. Make sure that you have got a balanced diet, that there is energy giving from the things that you are eating. And there is also bodybuilding food. And lastly, what do we need? Lastly, what do we need? We have eaten food that gives us energy. We have also eaten bodybuilding food. And now what do we need? Lastly, because if you don't have this last one, your body can grow, you can have energy, but there are some dangers there. There are some dangers. Yes, Michelle, you need protective food. You need protective food to protect you from what? It protects you from what? Eska?
Diseases.
Yes, it protects you from diseases, because if you eat too much of this energy giving food, you are going to grow fatter and fatter. And also you end up having some diseases. So you need to eat protective food to protect you from diseases. And these protective foods, they help our bodies to fight diseases and stay healthy. They help our bodies to fight diseases and also to stay healthy. Okay, let's look at the examples of the food that protect us from these diseases. Can I have the examples? There are some pictures, colorful pictures that they've put there. Yes, Raylene?
Bananas.
Yes, bananas. Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yes, Kanyiso?
Carrots.
Carrot.
Carrots, yes. Agatha?
Onions.
Yes, onions. Uh-huh. Do we still have some more? Yes, plenty. We still have plenty. Yes, Kanyiso?
Oranges.
Oranges, yes. And Michelle is showing us here carrots and tomatoes. Yes, Michelle? There's something else again. Yes, Mel? Mel? Oh, Mel, we can't hear you. I said, please write your answers down. Oh, okay. Oh, Skaniso.
Tomatoes.
Yes, Michelle has mentioned tomatoes. There are some other things
Pineapples.
there. Eh?
Pineapples.
Yes, pineapples, good. Michelle has written orange and spinach. Yes, spinach. Thank you. Thank you, Michelle. Yes, Raylene.
Mango.
Yes, mangoes. Mangoes. I can see from many trees. Go and check after the lesson. Go and check outside. I've seen some mangoes growing there, which means in December we would be eating them. So they are also, it's also healthy to eat them. Kien, you have written some things down. Unfortunately, your letters are very small and I couldn't see that. Yes, also there is also a cabbage. Thank you, Michelle. Who can tell me all these things that we have mentioned? They fall under two groups. We have been mentioning what are those things? Yes, yes, Michelle is saying something. I'm only seeing the mouth moving. Yes, Michelle, can you write down? Yes, Scaniso?
Fruits and vegetables.
Yes.
Fruits and vegetables.
We were mentioning fruits and vegetables. Yes, so we should try to eat vegetables and fruits every day. Let's try to eat. Yes, Michelle, I have seen fruits and vegetables. Let's try to eat fruits and vegetables every day. Okay. I want you to write work on page 18, exercise D, and this is covering what we have learned today. And sorry, it's number 1 up to number 10 because it's ending on page 19. Okay, before we finish, we still have got 2 minutes. Can you answer these two questions? Why is it important for us to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables? Why is it important to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables? Yes, Agatha?
It's important to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables because they protect us against diseases.
Yes, very good. And why should we eat eggs, beans, and meat? Why should we eat eggs, beans, and meat? Skanyiso?
We should eat eggs, meat, and beans so we can grow.
Eh, yes, for bodybuilding, for growth. Okay. Oh, you have been very active students. Okay, Mel is putting a heart there. I don't know whether he loves the lesson or he loves teacher there. Okay, you have been very active and I like that. Can you continue? Yes, Ken, I have seen. Thank you because they build our bodies. Thank you. Okay. Can you start now preparing? But before you start doing preparing for Monday, can you please just do the work that I'm going to send on Google Classroom, and I'm going to meet you on Monday with clean uniforms and hair done. Skanyiso, Michelle, okay, and Kien and Raylene, we are pleased to see you sitting on those chairs in our classroom. You are welcome. And Agatha, you are also welcome. We'll continue with our lessons. I'll be seeing you, Agatha. So also get prepared and don't stop reading. And we want people who pass. It has been a pleasure having you as my students for the Zoom lessons. I love you all. Keep safe until we meet again. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Michelle. See you soon.